Welcome to the world of colors. I'm Colors. Today I'm coming to you from my break. I know I'm on break right now, but I wanted to come back and give you a short video on what we're going to be doing next when I come back the first part of August. We're going to be making Greta the witch. She's a foyer witch, or a covered porch would be fine for her. And this is what she looks like. She's a little over 48 inches tall, and she sits on her own. She has a jack-o'-lantern she's holding in her broom. And I wanted to tell you about a few things that you'll need to get while they're still in stock. And I got these things on Amazon, all three of these things that I'm concerned about. You want to get the witch's legs, look like this. And you want to get the little dress Halloween costume, looks like this, and it comes with a hat. I've got the last three available green ones, but they have them in other colors, and maybe they have them in stock again in the green when you go on and check. But I'll be putting in the description box the name of these costumes, the name of the suppliers, and also the broom. It took me a while to find just the right size broom on Amazon. They have a lot available, and it took me a while to find just the right size. These come 2 brooms in a package, and I'll be putting the name of those also on there, but all of it came from Amazon. And then we'll put it together with some black long fur and some fleeces, and that's about it. And she's really easy to make. It doesn't take very long at all, and really a great piece to have for your Halloween in your foyer or your covered porch or wherever else, maybe next to your fireplace. It'd be really a nice piece to have. But I wanted to give you a heads up on that so you can get your supplies while they're still in stock. I wanted to tell you that I'm having a great time on my break, and coming up with a lot of good ideas for fall and for Christmas. And if you like this video, make sure to like it. And if you want to come and see how we make Greta the Witch the first part of August, make sure to subscribe.